The Allen Sports 102DN Deluxe 2 Bike Carrier fits sedans, hatchbacks, minivans, and SUVs. Make sure to confirm specific vehicle fit above. Its patented design sets up quickly and will safely transport your bicycles around town or cross-country. 2 side straps deliver exceptional lateral stability on your vehicle. A patented tie-down system individually secures and protects your bicycles. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Patented individual tie-down system. Allen's patented individual tie-down system secures and protects your bicycles. The tie-downs are fixed in position on the carry arm but rotate so that they can engage a wide range of bicycle frame sizes and styles. Number 2. Patented design fits sedans, SUVs, hatchbacks, and minivans. The patented single configuration design fits a wide range of vehicles and eliminates confusion during installation. The middle frame on the rack keeps bicycles away from your vehicle during transport. Number 3. Side straps for lateral stability on vehicle. 2 side straps, in addition to rugged top and bottom straps, deliver exceptional stability for the rack when on your vehicle. This ensures that you and your bikes reach your destination safely. Number 4. Narrow set carry arms for easy bike loading. The 102DN's carry arms will accommodate a wide range of bicycle frame styles and sizes. Most traditional adult-size bicycles, as well as most women's and children's frames, can be quickly installed onto the rack. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.